Damn, dude. You give someone an inch, they take a mile. Ridiculous. Oh, yeah. Tony Yayo. Tony Yayo. Tony Yayo. Yeah, Tony Yayo. Don't forget about your time-locked farm rewards on the paint swap site, everybody. Exactly. Oh, my God, man. That's good. Hilarious. Tony Yayo in the chat. You nut. Ah! Oh my God. Ayo for yayo. That song's super old. I had to look it up who made that. It was Andre Nicotina Kids. Show me where your sister lives. Woo! If you Bay Area motherfuckers even know that. Oh my God. If you don't already have your bag, you have to be careful because there's so many good bags out here. If you want to get hit like a specific number, like, oh, I want to hit 100 boo, okay, or you want to hit this. This is why once we started getting above $1 and change, I was DCAing from like, I think my first DCAs on boo coming down were like in the $80 like $1.30 range. This is back in 23, and like as prices were going down, and then it went as low as 30 cents. So we bought down there in the 40-cent range. Didn't buy the 30-cent low, but got in the 40-cent low, pretty good. And been in profit on most of my bag because that's where I bought a little heavier. This is where I lowered my cost average. So at 81 cents is nice. It's a nice buying area. Personally, I've already had my bags packed on boo, so I have my bags packed. But you may decide, hey, I want 100 or 1,000 of them. This is when you get it.